Gotta love it when you get stuff in the mail. Oh, I get giddy like a girl. So one of the things that I didn't notice when I was doing this is that I bought different bulbs. So this is almost like a 6K, and this is whatever the equivalent is. But this is similar to this. And originally what I was gonna do is buy bulbs that are very similar to this. But in all honesty, I think I kind of like this lighting a little bit more. What I'm gonna try now is I'm gonna just swap out the bulbs. What I'm gonna do is do one blue, one yellow in order to see what the color combo looks like. Let's check it out. I don't know how I like this. I think I'm gonna look around a little bit, try it out. We'll see. Right, matting has started. All right, this was a little bit more difficult than expected. Here we go. Bueno. All right, another day into this project. Kind of everything. I ended up having to get another piece here because I received the wrong one, swapped it out, it wasn't a big deal. This is actually a bench, just a flat bench, no adjustability. I didn't really feel the need to get the adjustable. And those are a fun little thing I'll show you guys soon. Harder with one hand, but that's what she said. What? But anyways, it's something nice about kind of prepping everything, making sure everything goes smooth. This should be a pretty easy process. One thing I really liked about this rack though, that was not anything extra, was these. What this is basically is plate storage. So you have two pegs on each side that I'll put on here in 2 seconds, but it's additional plate storage, and once you have plates on this, it's gonna make the rack that much more sturdy. I mean, as it is, it doesn't really move it.